Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect Chime to Eufy. Just follow these steps so you can set everything up quickly and smoothly. First, open your Eufy app and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap Add Device. Scroll down and select Video Doorbell. Tap it, then tap Next. Tap Next again, and when prompted, allow any necessary permissions. Now point your camera toward the QR code located on the rear of your Eufy doorbell. Wait for it to scan, then simply follow the on-screen instructions to continue connecting. If scanning doesn't work, you can also input manually. Tap Input manually, then insert the device SN in the spaces provided. Tip: the Eufy doorbell serial number SN is printed on the back of the device. Once done, tap Confirm. And that's it. After these steps, your Eufy Chime connects smoothly to your doorbell, making your setup quick, easy, and ready to use.